Hey, what's going on, everybody? The old Mongo man out here in KJ's shop tonight. It is Monday night, 10 o'clock. I am done for the night, just sitting here going through some emails and stuff, seeing what y'all are doing on YouTube. But wanted to let you know what we were into, what we got done tonight. So everybody saw that the service was installed over the weekend. Well, look at what we got today. It has been inspected. So we are waiting now for West Penn Power to come and hook power up to it. This wire right here is a wire I installed tonight, and that's the first power wire for the switches over to there. You can see I got some crazy stuff going on there with that box. And what that is actually the outside lights. There's going to be a wire that goes over this door. I ran out of wire though, so I've used, I believe it's 500 foot of wire already on this job. There's this box, and you can see here it's already got wire to it. Over the door, down to that box, and then there's one more box all the way over there. So what these are for, if you can see out here, is the same lights as what's on the front of my garage. Boop. Can't really see them from here, but they're over there, trust me. So there's one there, and I got the one over there. I've got two more to go. The boxes are in, but I ran out of wire. So that's what it looks like on the inside of these boxes. All nice and neat there. Got the ground wire hooked up. Everything's good. I like it. This one, fortunately, has a single wire in it. Going out to the switch, or I'm sorry, to the light. Up and over the door. Down to that one, down to that one. And as you can see from over here, that is the first drop to the panel. There'll be a lot more of those as we go. And that wall will be likely covered in wire. It'll look like Casey Neistat shop. Busy, busy. I'm gonna try and get some more stuff done in here. So that means I gotta buy another roll of MX cable and get moving again here on some more stuff. So, all right, that's all for tonight. We'll see y'all tomorrow. It's now the next night out here, standing outside of KJ's garage. We got quite a bit done tonight. I did make another trip into Home Depot to get some more supplies. I got 2 more rolls of wire, some more lights, a couple more boxes, and we got busy here once we got home. So everybody knows what my garage looks like at night. That's the front lights with the one Eve light on there. And this is now what KJ's garage looks like in the middle of the night. His garage has the same lights that mine has. As you can see, they're all wired up. I think it looks pretty nice. Again, I didn't want those lights to be overwhelming, just enough to let you know what's going on. You can see around the garage there. And then we do have 2 more lights to put over the doors. Those will be very similar to that light that's above my door and really flood this whole area with light. Let's take a look inside and see what this all looks like. So this is really the control center of the garage right now. This is going to be where all the light switches are at. There will be 6 switches across there, as you can see. Right now we just have a temporary plug and all kinds of craziness going on. But that obviously won't be the way that it is. So you can see there, we got a bunch of light wires coming up. That actually is the light over the door. I do have 2 coming over here. This is 2 powers. There's going to be at least 1 more for lights. And just like yesterday, you can see here over the garage doors and then down to those lights. And here's this one over here. So everything looks really nice and tidy. I lined everything up nice and neat, made it look good. And we're making headway every day. We're going to start tying stuff off here since we do have the inspection. I can go ahead and start terminating things and getting this done. All right, so that's day 2. Like I said, today is Tuesday. Now that I'm done out here, I'm going to go ahead and head over to Pap's. I'll spend the evening over there and head off to work in the morning. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya. Hey, it's now 3 days later and we're still out here in KJ's garage getting more wiring done. We're still waiting on the wire to get run from the pole over to the service. But in the meantime, since the inspection has been complete, we have been very busy. This is what we've been doing. So we do have some circuits ran and terminated in the panel. As you can see there, we have 7 circuits already done. And what those circuits are the lights and a set of receptacles here for the front of the building. If you step back here a little bit, you'll be able to see. Well, there we go. what's going on here in the corner. All these wires come over. There will be 6 switches here, and of course you can see there is a receptacle wired there. That receptacle feeds back up over the doors, and there will be one receptacle right there. And then another one between the other door. I haven't got that far yet, and one clear down there on the end. But it's coming together nicely. I am going to be doing more external lights, one there, one over there, for big floodlights to go out in front of the building. But for the meantime, we have been doing this little detail work, trying to get it done. You can see I got all the fans terminated there, and the other circuits are already done. So moving right along. Haven't done much of anything else here throughout the rest of the shop, but it is a project in process, or however they say that, right? All right, so that's it for tonight. I am going to head to the house here again, spending the evening at Pap's. So I'm going to get my stuff together and get ready to head on out. So you guys will catch me tomorrow out here. We're going to try and get those exterior lights done tomorrow and do some more of these receptacles. I'll be doing receptacles forever. So, all right, see you tomorrow. Hey, all right, now a little change of scenery here. I know I told you I'd see you tomorrow, but wanted to stop off here in my shop and show you what KJ's been up to. Dana 44 axle. This one's going into Aggie. Total rebuild going on here. He got this thing all apart and is now putting it all back together. New U-joint in the axle, upper and lower ball joints, new rotor, all new bearings, and we don't know what he's going to do for the lock-in lockouts just yet, but it will be an all new axle. This is that 308 axle we bought that you guys saw on that little video we did when we went and picked it up. I think that ring gear is cute. Look how little. Dana 44 308s. Had to pull another one apart for more parts. Somewhere around here there is a busted axle shaft. When he was trying to get it apart, the axle shaft itself busted up. It's a good thing I got a million of these 44s laying around here. Check this out. So it's going to need radius arms because those ones are junk. There is the long side of that shaft. I don't know where the short one is. There it is. So this is what happened to it. Busted. And as you can see there, he did get it back together. So, yep, that's right. Aggie will be 4-wheel drive, and KJ plans on starting that right, I believe, next weekend. So he's getting his front axle put all together. He's moving along pretty good on it now, but we'll get to see what he does with that thing here shortly. All right, now this time we're going to see you tomorrow. All right, everybody. So here it is, Saturday, 5 o'clock. We've been busy all day here. Sounds like KJ's getting ready to leave. He was just out here helping me get some stuff wired. We got everything on the front wall is done. All the wire is run. All the lights are hooked up. So now it's just a matter of finishing off the exterior lights and all the receptacles around the building. KJ also went and got the heater today. So there's the heater. That's probably where it's going to end up. We haven't decided whether that's going to be the final destination of it or not, but it can't go where we wanted it to go because it takes way too much room out of the bay. It was going to go right there, but it sticks way out into the bay and takes up way too much room. So here is the junction box for this light. And over there you can see the junction box for that light. Whoop. And then that all drops down and terminates over there. We did get all 4 of the receptacles in on the front wall. They're all done. I think it all looks pretty good. Hey, there he is himself. Kenny Johnny. What's up, KJ? What do you think so far, Bubba? On the wire. So we just finished up here for the day, getting ready to head on out. I'm gonna go get cleaned up and hopefully warmed up. I'm out here in shorts in the middle of November. People probably think I'm crazy, but well, you already know I am. There's that hot blast wood stove. It's a little smaller than the one in my garage, but just a little smaller. I think it's gonna will do fine in here. All right. So that's it for this video. I'll get this thing edited and posted there Sunday so you guys can see what's going on. And then hopefully the next time we see each other, we'll be done in here. All the wiring will be done and KJ will be moving in. So we'll see where that all ends up. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, you're going to really like it when we get started back in on the real projects. Clifford, Aggie, Camaros, Chevelles, Shelbys. What else are we going to be working on? Broncos. Dolly, yeah, Laney. All kinds of fun, man. So hope you all come back. If you, like I said, if you really like it, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel there. That way you won't miss anything that KJ, me, Seth, George, Harley, any of us are doing. So we'll see y'all later. The old Mongo Man is out. Say bye to the people, KJ.